Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix the Monster Hunter Now fake GPS not working. So if you're an avid player of Monster Hunter Now, you may have encountered issues with the fake GPS not working. So to solve that problem, first is we want to know why Monster Hunter Now fake GPS not working. So the first one is the developer crackdown. One of the primary reasons why Monster Hunter Now fake GPS is not working is that the game developers have cracked down on cheating. So next one is the technical issues. Another reason why the Monster Hunter Now fake GPS is not working could be due to technical issues. For example, if your GPS is not enabled or if your device's location settings are not configured correctly, then the game may not be able to detect your location accurately. Next one is the limitations of fake GPS. Lastly, it is worth noting that there are some inherent limitations to using fake GPS in Monster Hunter Now. For example, small monsters around you may not appear, and you cannot hunt together with party members or attack monsters using paintball. Now, to fix that problem is to restart the app. One of the easiest methods to resolve most mobile device problems is to restart your application. Next one, restart your phone. If restarting the app doesn't work, try restarting your phone. Next one is to update the app. So just go to your Play Store or App Store. Next is to check your internet connection. Of course, that is one of the very important things when playing online games. Next one is to disable any location spoofing apps. If you have any other location spoofing apps installed, try disabling them. Now use a different location spoofing app. If none of the above solutions work, consider using a different location spoofing app. Some users have reported success with apps such as TPS joystick. Okay, so if you want more information about this, just visit this website. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.